If you're seeing a SurveyMonkey HTTP Error 500, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step, so you can get back to your survey as quickly as possible. A 500 error usually means the problem is on the server side, or something in your browser session is causing the page to fail. So we're going to start with the easiest solutions first, and then move into the more reliable ones. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this. Let's get into it. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the simplest fix is the one that works right away. You can press F5 on your keyboard or use the reload button in your browser, and that may be enough to clear a temporary loading issue. If the page just glitched for a moment, a refresh can bring everything back without any extra steps. Now, if refreshing doesn't work, the most important thing to do is wait and try again. This is especially important with HTTP Error 500 because it often points to a temporary server issue. In many cases, the problem is not on your device at all. Wait about 5 to 30 minutes, then try opening SurveyMonkey again. If the servers are having a brief outage or maintenance issue, it may resolve automatically without you needing to do anything else. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can conflict with the current version of a site and cause pages to load incorrectly. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or History section, and clear the cache and cookies. After that, close the browser completely and restart it before trying SurveyMonkey again. This gives you a fresh session and removes old data that may be causing the error. After that, log out and log back in again. Sometimes your session can become stuck or expired, and that can trigger issues when SurveyMonkey tries to load your account or survey page. Sign out fully, close the browser tab, then log back in with your account credentials. This refreshes your session and can often fix strange loading errors without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If the issue continues, try a different browser or device. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox. If you're already on a desktop computer, try your phone or another PC. This is a great way to tell whether the problem is tied to one browser, one device, or your actual SurveyMonkey account. If the page works somewhere else, then you've narrowed down the cause much faster. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the loading process and make a server-side error look worse than it actually is. Restart your Wi-Fi or router, then try again. If possible, connect to another network to test whether your current connection is the issue. Even a quick switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data can help confirm whether the problem is your network. At this point, if none of the basic fixes worked, the issue may still be on SurveyMonkey's side. In that case, the best move is to wait a little longer and try again later, especially if other users are reporting issues too. You can also check whether the problem happens on every page or only one specific survey, because that can help you figure out whether it's a temporary outage or a browser-specific problem. So to quickly recap, start by refreshing the page, then wait and try again, clear your browser cache and cookies, log out and log back in, try a different browser or device, and finally, check your internet connection. Those steps solve most SurveyMonkey HTTP Error 500 problems without much hassle. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.